Hi, welcome. So in this video, I want to answer a question I got about a simulation error in PSPICE. You may get the voltage source and or inductor loop involving some voltage source. You may break the loop by adding a series resistance. So usually all this means is the voltage source they reference has some extra wires that's shorting the voltage source. Not always, but usually. That also happens if you have an inductor somewhere in series with the voltage source or in parallel or something. So what do you do in this situation? Well, you look at the junctions that are indicated by pink dots. And if you have pink dots around the ends of your voltage pins, that's a problem because it indicates that you have more than one connection here. So you see over here where you have a pink dot on this V out node, that means two or more connections at one point. You don't want to see that on any of your part pins. So for instance, let's say I delete this wire. I only want to see this white block if it's unconnected. Then I hit W, connect it, right click, end wire, and that's it. There should be no pink dot. So whenever you see pink dots, and I see this a lot of times in schematics, and people just aren't aware, you need to move this and voila, see? Extra junction, shorting out your voltage source. Let's delete these wires. There we go. So no pink dots, only one connection. So now when we rerun the simulation, let's edit the simulation profile first. Set it to 0.001, apply. That's what we get for our voltage output, as expected. Okay, thanks for watching.